The weight you can't see but still carry. Old wounds, unspoken regrets, moments that replay on a loop. You move through your day, but part of you is still stuck back there. What you should have said, what they did, what you lost. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." When your thoughts are tethered to the past, you give away power in the present. In part 2, we'll explore why the mind clings to pain and how Stoics train to unhook from memory loops. Why we stay stuck in the past. The brain isn't wired for peace, it's wired for protection. It holds on to pain so we don't repeat it. But pain unprocessed becomes identity. You become the heartbreak, the betrayal, the failure. Seneca said, "No man was ever wise by chance." To break free from the past, you must become deliberately wise. You must choose what to carry and what to cut loose. In part 3, we'll walk through the Stoic letting go framework to reclaim inner control. The Stoic letting go framework. 1. Acknowledge the memory without judgment. Say, "This happened, it mattered, but it does not define me." 2. Separate emotion from identity. Feeling it doesn't mean I am it. 3. Choose the present over the past. That version of me is gone. Who I am now chooses peace. 4. Ritualize the release. Burn the letter, delete the message, close the loop. Not for them, for you. In part 4, we embed this into a daily structure that builds emotional independence. Daily practice, gaining power from what was morning grounding. 5 mins. Right. Today I let go of. Today I reclaim. Midday pause. When memory strikes, pause, breathe, repeat. This is not now. Evening power reframe journal. What past moment tried to steal my energy? What new truth did I stand in instead? Your past is not your prison. It's your proving ground. In part 5, we introduce the 3-day Power Over Past Challenge. The 3-day Power Over Past Challenge for 3 days. 1. Identify one recurring memory each day. 2. Apply the letting go framework. 3. Reflect. Did I carry it or did I clear it? Drop the word free in the comments. Subscribe if you're ready to stop dragging old pain and start walking in present power. What you release, you rise above. The past doesn't go away. It becomes part of your story, but you get to choose the ending. You're not the one who got hurt. You're the one who healed. You're not the mistake. You're the mastery that came from it. You walk forward not because it didn't matter, but because you matter more. Peace is not pretending it didn't happen. Peace is deciding it no longer controls you. That's power. That's stoicism. And that's yours now.